invited 3 people to touch the trash. We gave them 1 week to try the new device we created. Let us see what happened within the week.
Let's buy that device.
I agree with you.
I want to buy that too.
Where's my phone? I forgot I have a meeting today. Where's my phone? I need to contact my coworkers for the meeting. Oh wait, I remember. I have a new device. The trash that can track things I misplaced. Oh, there you are. I thought I would never find you again. Thanks to Trash, I could contact my coworkers for the meeting.
How's the Prada?
This trash is very useful. Can track things I hardly find.
I want to buy that.
I had tried this. It's very user-friendly. It manages your time, just simply amazing.
Based on my own research, many students tend to forget their things such as cell phones and other useful gadgets. So I invented the tracking watch. In short, the Trutch. With this device, you can easily track your things